Paris, a beautiful city with a beautiful language and great food. Paris is famous with a delicious fresh baguette and amazing pastries. One of my favorite pastry chefs is Cédric Grolet. He is known for creating fruit desserts. They look like a piece of art. Today, I would like to share with you one of the most popular French desserts. It is called Paris Brest. It is made of soft, fluffy pastry and rich, yummy praline cream. First, we'll start with this delicious almond paste. Toast nuts in a hot skillet for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. We don't want to burn them, so make sure to stir them all the time. Then transfer the roasted nuts into a clean kitchen towel and rub them to remove as much as possible skin. Let them cool down. In a small saucepan, heat the sugar over medium-high heat until completely melts. Make sure to stir all the time because we don't want to burn the sugar. Add a pinch of salt. As well, we'll add nuts and we'll coat them with caramel. Transfer the praline to a parchment paper and press to even up. Be careful, caramel is hot. Place them on the side to cool completely. For the cream, bring to a boil water, milk, and unsalted butter. When milk starts boiling, add flour and then stir constantly until you have thick wet dough. Cook for 2 minutes and then remove from the heat. Transfer to a separate bowl and let it cool down. Then add 5 large eggs, one at a time. Carefully incorporate each into the batter using wooden spoon or hand mixer. It should still have smooth consistency which still holds its shape. Pipe batter. On parchment paper, draw 8 circles. You should line 4 circles on top of each other. Just like that. Dust the dough with powdered sugar and coat with sliced almonds. Bake in preheated 350 degrees oven for approximately 35 to 40 minutes until golden brown. Meanwhile, let's prepare muslin cream. Bring to a boil milk. In a separate bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with sugar. Incorporate flour and cornstarch. Mix until fluffy consistency and light color. Then pour the hot milk over the egg mixture. Bring to a boil. Your cream should thicken. Remove from the heat. Add butter. Whisk constantly. Then cover up and let it cool down. After the praline cools down, they look almost like chocolate bar. Break the praline into small pieces. Grind in a food processor until thick paste for about 5 to 7 minutes. Transfer to a clean bowl your cooled down cream. Beat until fluffy. Then add praline paste and mix. Add room temperature, good quality butter and continue beating until you have this beautiful glossy cream for the next 5 to 7 minutes. I wish you guys could smell this cream. Split the pastry in half. Pipe the praline mousse. Add some caramelized almonds or just plain sliced almond on top of your cream. Then top with the second half of pastry. Dust with powdered sugar. Let me tell you, just for this praline cream, it was worth it to make them. This pastry is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy this amazing recipe. If you make them, don't forget to hashtag #CookingWithKatie. I would love to see them. On my blog, Instagram, or Facebook. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Merci beaucoup.